In this video, I'll show you how to move money from your Robinhood account to your bank account. First, you need to make sure that a bank account is linked to your Robinhood account. This is a crucial step because without a linked bank, you won't be able to withdraw your funds. If you haven't already linked a bank, open Robinhood, go to your profile, and follow the prompts to add your bank account. You'll need your bank account number and routing number to complete this step. Once your bank is connected, you're ready to start transferring your funds. Next, open the Robinhood app and navigate to your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap the menu in the top left corner and select Transfers. This is the section where you can move money out of your Robinhood account. Some users may not realize this option is slightly hidden, so it's important to know where to find it. On this page, you'll see your available withdrawable cash, which represents the amount you can transfer immediately. Keep in mind that if you've recently sold stocks or other investments, some of your funds may be temporarily on hold for a few days before they become withdrawable. To initiate the transfer, tap Transfer Money and then choose Transfer from Brokerage, which is your Robinhood cash balance. Next, select the bank account you want to send the money to. If you have multiple accounts linked, make sure to choose the correct one. Enter the amounts you wish to transfer, and double-check all the details to make sure everything is correct. Tap Review to confirm the transaction. Once you confirm, Robinhood will immediately deduct the money from your account. Although the deduction is instant, the actual transfer to your bank account may take up to 5 business days to complete. After submitting your transfer, you'll see your withdrawable cash update to reflect the new balance, and your buying power will also adjust accordingly. This allows you to keep track of how much cash remains in your Robinhood account for future trades or additional withdrawals. If at any point you want to check the status of your transfer, simply go back to the Transfers section, where you can see pending transfers and expected completion dates. This is useful if you want to make sure your funds are on the way and avoid any surprises. And that's how you successfully move money from your Robinhood account to your bank account. It's a straightforward process once you know where to go, and ensures your funds are safely transferred for use in your everyday banking.